So guys, in this video I am going to share you how you can get everyday organic click in your blog site and in your direct link. And this is very simple method. You just need to 1 hour or 2 hour work per day. Okay, the method I am gonna share is very simple. You need a blogger, 1000 impression blog post and Adsterra smart direct link. Okay, after you have two property, you just need to setting in heat clip, auto serve, organic click. Okay, so when you complete these 3 steps, every day you will see the result in your Adsterra account, how much you can earn by working just 1 hour or 2 hour per day. Okay, let's start first work. First work, you need a blogger account with 1000 impression. Okay, so for that you need to create a blog post. So click on blog post and give a title as you want. Okay, don't skip this video, otherwise you will miss the important point of this video. This is completely easy and completely free method of earning from Adsterra, and this is full setup video. So click on your Adsterra account, just copy the banner code. Okay, don't need any other code from this ad code, only copy only banner code copy. Okay, so after copy the all banner code, you can copy 6 code for copy paste. So I am gonna copy one by one. Total I will collect 6 code. So there is 2 code I have already copied. Now this is third number and copy it and paste it in here. Okay, now close it and then copy the 4th code, copy, paste in a Google Sheet here. Don't skip this video. Everything is important in this video. Okay, otherwise you will miss the important things. So after completing all 6 code or 7 code, whatever you can take. Okay, don't worry about the number, just collect 6-7 code and repeat it, and just repeat it. If you are new to this channel, this is very effective method I use for getting high international traffic and high CPM. See, I have count total 1002 code only from 6 code. Okay, now copy this. Okay, only single copy this, and after copy, okay, see, only after copy go to the blog post. So here is the blog post is in here. Okay, then paste in here. Always paste in HTML view mode because this is all code. That's why always paste in HTML view code, then confirm it. Okay, after confirm, you can now publish it. Okay, everything is ready now. Now I need Adsterra direct link. Don't worry, this also ready in my Adsterra account. You can check it. See, close it and go to the now the second part. I need Adsterra account. Sorry, Adsterra direct link. I already have. Now third is sign up in here. I will give the link in the description. Just sign up in here with your Gmail address. That's it. You just need to sign up in here with Gmail address. Guys, this is if I want I can sell this method by course, but now I am giving you free. So please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I hope this will help you very much. Okay, after completing this, you will get organic traffic. Click on the website slots. You will get 3 free slots in here. So to use your, and there is a traffic exchange method. That means if you see someone blog post, someone link, then he also can see your link. So to do that, you need to first set up your link here. So we will share 3 link total in here. 1 blog post which will be 1000 impression and 2 direct link. So click on website. I already have worked so many work in this site. I just deleting it. I am showing you newly for you. Okay, see, I am showing you newly. Okay, see, and click on website, add new website, and after that you need to just now give the 1000 impression post. Okay, don't mistake this. I mean, don't miss it. Okay, copy this impression and you just need to paste it in here. Okay, so after that you can see everything is okay. You do not need any setting change. Every settings is okay. Just click on add button. Okay, after that, now it is one link done. I can now post to other link also. So what you can do, you just go to your Adsterra account, copy a direct link and paste it again in here. Add a new website. See, profit, this is a direct link. You can copy it from directly from here and paste it in here. That's it. Okay, that's it. Now click on add. Everything is okay. Just click on add. Okay, see, now I am going to show you how you can get free click. Click on traffic exchange. Okay, you can use two methods. One is browser method, another is software method. I am going to show you first the browser method. It is very simple. You can do this in mobile. Add a new session, click, and then click on web session. First click on add a new session, then click on web session. So when you click on web session, a interface will open like this. Just click on start browsing. Okay, click on start browsing and it will automatically reshuffle your points. Like you when see a organic like this page, this post, you will get points. That's it, guys. When you see this post, others guy can see your link, can see your post. This is the game plan. I am exchanging my traffic with my link in here. So don't miss out this. Also, this is only a 30-second each link exists to view. So don't worry, just click on start browsing and leave it here as it is. Don't need to click on any other's link. It will run automatically in the background. See, it will running automatically. You do not need to keep on any button. You do not need to click on any button. This is very simple. So guys, I am sharing you this method. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you are subscribed already, you are the boss. And please don't forget to comment if this method working for you. So many comments already have given to me that they are working on my method and this is very well working. So I hope you also please do a comment. Either it is working or not for you. You can share this with me. See, I am doing nothing. I am just leave it as it is and it's running in the background automatically. Okay. Now I am going to share you three method. I have already shared this method. Okay. Now I am going to share you how you can do this with software. Like after downloading the software, how you can do this. If you want to do this in the PC, okay, you just download the software and start button, then leave it is as it is, and the software will run in the background. You do not need to see what we are going to do. First we need to download the software. So click on the download software and click on next, then install the software. Okay, after install the software, you need a session ID, and when you click on add new session at the first time, then a new session ID will appear like this. Only one session ID per session. See, you need a session key. Don't worry, the session key is very simple to copy. So what you need to do, add new session and click on the see, this is already I have shown you. This is the web session, this is software session. Okay, don't worry, just copy the code from here. Okay, copy the code from here and paste in here. That's it, guys. Now your software will run in autopilot mode. Like you do not need to do anything like web browser. Web browser running in the background without any click. Same method will work in here also. You just click on start button, and this traffic exchanger is not banned for Adsterra because it is real. Okay, It is not fake. Every link is opening in a browser of human, not in robot browser. Okay, that means real ISP, real person loading this. As you are loading, same thing another person also loading from their PC, from their website. So using this method, you can every day, okay, you can use web browser or you can use software. And when you complete this session, when you complete this method, you will get a result within a 1 or 2 day. And just see the statistics, see the your blogger blog post, how much it got, the traffic, the click. So don't worry, I will already share it with you. And that interesting part is I have so many method for Adsterra. I am just sharing you it with slowly because I am not actually doing it quickly. I want you just apply all the method. So when you apply all the method, then you will see a good result in your Adsterra account. I have almost 5 to 10 Adsterra account in my single PC. I am running all of those just using same method. I already shared you my one account. This is very, low profit I am showing. I have already so many duplicate account of Adsterra. But you know what? Sometimes you need to keep some privacy for you also. If you share everything, I think this will not a good things in the internet. So keep something separate. I am sharing you because guys, if you get help from me, please don't forget to subscribe. Your subscribe matter a lot for me. Your comment matter a lot for me. I'm sharing this with you because actually some people will share you not necessary things, but everything I shared, every technical method is very working method. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and comment in my comment section what actually working for you. Thank you guys, bye.